Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you are doing well. So there are multiple new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out those updates. So for the updates, simply go into the Galaxy Store app and from here you have to tap on this updates option. From here you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available. So most of these app updates include some bug fixes and some issues that were there are now resolved with these new app updates. Also there's a new good lock update available with the improved visibility and the further improvements have been made to this app as well. To update them all, simply tap on update all and all of these apps will be updated. You can also update the call app by simply tapping on these three buttons, then tap on settings. From here you will get to see that a new version of the call app is available. After this, tap on security and privacy, then you have to tap on updates and Google Play system update. So there's a new Google Play system update also available that you guys can install from here. Simply tap on check for new updates and a new update will pop up that you guys can install from here. I was facing a call vibration issue before the call app update and now that is fixed as well. So I will recommend you to update the call app. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new app updates available that you guys might be missing out. So check out these new app updates, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.